10 topics that lead to deep conversations in a relationship. Every strong relationship thrives on depth, not just love, laughter, or attraction, but meaningful conversations that connect souls. When you move beyond small talk, you start to truly see your partner, their fears, dreams, beliefs, and heart. Here are 10 powerful topics that can lead to deep, unforgettable conversations with the person you love. 1. Childhood memories and what they taught you. Ask your partner about their earliest memories, the moments that shaped them. What were they like as a child? Who did they look up to? This opens the door to understanding their emotional roots and the values they carry into adulthood. 2. The meaning of love and what it truly means to them. Love has a different definition for everyone. When you ask, "What does love mean to you?" you invite vulnerability. It's where both of you start seeing love, not as a feeling, but as a language that can be spoken differently. 3. Fears about the future. Everyone carries silent worries about stability, aging, success, or even loss. Talking about fears builds empathy. It transforms a relationship from "I love you" to "I understand you." 4. Personal dreams and secret goals. Ask each other, what's something you've always wanted to do, but never told anyone? This conversation uncovers passion, ambition, and the parts of your partner that the world never gets to see. 5. Mistakes and what they've learned from them. Discussing past mistakes takes courage. It's not about judgment, it's about growth. Hearing what they've learned reveals how they handle pain, regret, and healing. 6. Beliefs about faith, purpose, and the universe. These are the conversations that stretch the mind and touch the soul. Whether it's about religion, spirituality, or life philosophy, this topic reveals how your partner finds meaning in existence. 7. The hardest moments they've ever faced. Every person has a breaking point, a moment that changed them forever. When someone trusts you enough to share that moment, the connection deepens beyond words. 8. The kind of life they want to build. Beyond romance and fun, what kind of life do they truly want? A quiet one or an adventurous one? Talking about shared visions builds alignment. It shows whether your dreams walk in the same direction. 9. Views on forgiveness and conflict. Ask how they handle anger, betrayal, or disappointment. This is one of the most telling conversations because it reveals emotional maturity and how they handle future challenges in love. 10. What they want to be remembered for. When you ask this question, you go beyond today. It's not about the surface, it's about legacy. You see the heart of who they are, what drives them, and what they hope their life means to the world. Deep conversations aren't about asking perfect questions, they're about listening with empathy and curiosity. The more real your conversations become, the more your love transforms from surface-level connection to soulful partnership. Because true intimacy isn't built through time, it's built through truth. Thanks for watching, see you in the video.